Peace and greetings, beautiful people. What's good? It's Naya here. Alright, so this video is going to be the unboxing of the Hayworth tarot deck. So this is a different deck created for the Welcome to Night Vale podcast. I saw this and I was like really super excited about it. So this is an unboxing and somewhat first impressions because I did kind of watch a flip through part of the way of the video anyway. So this is the little velvet bag that it comes in. It's really cute, similar to the other one. The one thing that drew me into this deck is that as I'm unwrapping it here, is the fact that it seemed like a more readable tarot deck, even if you've never listened to the podcast. And of course, I don't have my scissors here because I'm still not situated in my new place here. Give me 1 second. I'm gonna be a beast and use my teeth to get the plastic off. I apologize. All right. Here we are. Come on, plastic. There we go. See, I just got it off. All right. So, the size feels pretty standard. So it is a standard size, so that's good. It feels a little, is it thicker or not? I don't know. I mean, it feels pretty chunky, you know, but it seems riffleable, so that's good. So, okay, so I could do it this way. Oh boy, let's go ahead and bring this just a tiny bit tighter. All right. Ooh. Oh, there's something very I don't know why I just see Oshun in that for some reason, which is not part of Night Vale Tarot, folks. It's there's something like mysterious a little bit about the imagery, like the actual art style. It's like interesting. It's like I don't want to say it's if you've ever listened to the podcast, you know, you're in like a fantastical world full of conundrums and paradoxes and odd things, and it's cool, you know. It's a cool mental break, especially, you know, whatever. But I feel the art lends itself well to that feeling, that I don't want to say mysterious in a you know, scary, spooky kind of way, but it's kind of in this you know, Twilight Zone kind of way. The Chariot. Sorry, I'm like, oh, Strength is interesting. Yeah, like Twilight Zone, or oh, I like that Hermit. That's cool. The light bulb with just the hands in the light bulb, that says it all. The Wheel of Fortune. Interesting. Like it. Justice. So I do feel like the standard messages come across if you're a tarot reader in most of these so far. Excuse me. There's something otherworldly about it. Huh. Well, that's a bit freeing. Death just being a blank card. Well, I mean, I could run with that. I don't know about you guys. I'm not mad at it. A lot of people don't like to see that card anyways. So I guess there's ways of spinning it. I'm gonna have to get back to you after some use about how I feel about that card being just completely blank. Interesting, interesting. Ooh, pretty Temperance. I don't know why I'm getting like Dante's Circle out of this. I like it. I feel like the main components that are needed are there. Oh, the black sun with the sunflowers. That's an interesting sun. I'm just gonna keep saying interesting, interesting. Judgment. The World. Okay. So before I continue, I do want to say I do have the first, I think it was done by a different artist. I have the other deck that's Night Veil. And there's a similar thing going on where it just feels very otherworldly, very Twilight Zone, you know, it's just something's off and you can't quite put your finger on it. Not with the artwork or the style, but just the world of Welcome to Night Vale, you know what I mean? And them trying to capture that makes that deck very evocative to try and use as a standard reading deck. I think it takes time to learn that one. Whereas this one, I feel like you don't have to know that world for you to still be able to get good readings off of this right away. So I would just say that if you're a super fan, definitely get the first deck. If you're interested in getting into it and you already know tarot and you're pretty familiar with it, this is pretty standard here. Like this Ace of Wands, you got the wand in the hand, in, you know, in a kind of different kind of world there. Okay. I like that the figures that are supposed to be, whether male, female, things, you know, or, you know, that are usually depicted as male, female in some other decks are not necessarily even human in this deck here, which I'm actually rather enjoying. Like there's no faces. Some of the cards have faces, some of them don't. I'm not sure why some of them are chosen that way and why some of them weren't. But I like it. It feels very fluid so far. The Nine of Wands. Page of Wands. Oh, that Queen of Wands is really nice. Knight of Wands. King of Wands. Okay, I think what I like about these a little bit is kind of, you know, that expression, where there's smoke, there's fire. I feel like this looks like a flame. This looks kind of like a flame, but this looks like smoke, you know, and this kind of looks like smoke too. So, you know, wand suit being the fire suit. I like that. Ooh, I like that Ace of Cups. That's cool. Love. Oh, I like this deck. Interesting. Nine of Cups. 10 of Cups. Page of Cups. Knight of Cups. Queen of Cups. King of Cups. See, so some of them have faces. Some of them have like silhouettes of faces. Okay. Ace of Swords. Oh, that's really interesting. You see how like it looks like the fingers are like not like they're severed. That's really interesting. Oh, that's an interesting Two of Swords. Like being blinded by two choices. That's pretty graphic, I guess. Is it graphic? It's, yeah, I guess graphic is the right word. The Three of Swords. I rather like that. Four of Swords. Five of Swords. So it's pretty standard, you know, in many cases where you can definitely see the influence of the Rider-Waite-Smith deck in here. Some of them stray a little bit, but for the, you know, the theme of the deck, it makes a lot of sense. And the characters in there and situations and stuff, if you can kind of get it there. The Eight of Swords, yeah. The Nine of Swords. The Ten of Swords. Some pretty standard stuff here. Page of Swords. Knight of Swords. So interestingly enough, the knights don't have horses at all. They just have some kind of other thing going on. Oh, that's an interesting Queen of Swords. And then the King of Swords. Interesting. And then we move on to the Pentacles. Ace of Pentacles. Huh. It's like, okay. I think I'd have fun reading with this. I'm excited to give this a try. Three of Pentacles. Very otherworldly. Very, you know, it's very like, it pulls you in, I feel, some of these images. I like these pentacles. I'm not gonna lie. When people do different things with the pentacles, I'm usually, it's almost like the most boring suit, I guess. I don't mean to say it in a bad way, but I like this take on pentacles being like, almost like these portals to other dimensions, and or however they have it going on, almost like little black holes. It's really cool. The Five of Pentacles. The Six of Pentacles. Seven of Pentacles. What's the seven? Oh, yeah, the seven, okay. The Eight of Pentacles. Work, 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 work. Nine of Pentacles. What am I looking at? Oh God, is that a bird or something? I don't know what I'm looking at here, but okay then. I'll get back to y'all on that one because I'm a little perplexed. Ten of Pentacles. Page of Pentacles. Knight of Pentacles. Queen of Pentacles. Huh. And King of Pentacles. Wow. Very interesting. So that's been my flip through of the, oh goodness, the Hayworth tarot deck. That's been recently came out. If you guys are interested in it, I think I only paid like $20 plus shipping for it here in the United States. I will link the website in the not the comments, the description section in case you guys are interested in it. And yeah, this was actually, I'm gonna use this for my dailies this week because I'm curious how it how it would inspire me to create my daily like spells or poems or quotes, or that. Sometimes I do quotes sometimes. Yeah, it feels pretty standard to handle and work with. So, all right, ladies and gentlemen, much love, many blessings. Peace.